Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to download Roblox, so let's get started. In this video I will show you two methods. First method, open Chrome, then search for Download Roblox for PC, and open the first website. Then click on Download Windows app. After that, your download will start. When the download is completed, run the program. After the installation process is finished, your game will be downloaded. Second method, go to the search bar, type Microsoft Store, and open it. Then search for Roblox and click on it. After that, click on Get. Once the download is completed, Roblox will be installed automatically. That's it. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.